Hey guys, hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and in today's tutorial, we are going to talk about on how to go ahead and switch your Instagram account to a business account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, of course, you want to go ahead and head over to your Instagram application. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. And once here, you just want to go ahead and click on the three lines just above your profile. And once inside, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the For Professionals tab. You could just go ahead and see that under the For Families, and we have here For Professionals. Just go ahead and click the account type and tools, and once inside, you want to go ahead and click the switch to professional account. Just go ahead and click on it, and it will go ahead and tell you all of the benefits. So just go ahead and click on continue. And right now we will go ahead and ask on what best describes you. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a random thing right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click done. And of course you want to go ahead and click on business, click on next, and this will go ahead and take a few seconds. And once that's done, you will be asked for the promotional emails. You could just go ahead and choose whatever you prefer and just go ahead and click on next. You will be asked for your personal information right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and skip this one and just go ahead and log in with your Facebook if you want to go ahead and do that. I'm also going to skip this one. And right now we have the setup for your professional account. You can just go ahead and adjust this for yourself, but that's it. Right now I am inside my business account, and my account has been transferred from a personal account to a business account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.